welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now the purpose of today's video is just to give everybody a spring update on the Corvette. I picked up a bunch of parts over the last month or so. I know it's been over a month since I put a video out. You know, this whole coronavirus thing just threw me all off. So we're back at it again. Got a bunch of stuff. Let's start in this box here. I did pick up an Elite Engineering catch can. I've actually seen a bunch of guys putting this on recently, so that's kind of funny. Picked up a brake motive, front and rear, rotors, and obviously the brake pads as well. I hear a lot of good things about the brake motive kit on the forums, and also my buddy Steve over at Mr. Black, he had nothing but good things to say about it, so that's why I went with the brake motive. And these are like really cheap, but they're not cheaply made. They're really well made, but for a great price. As well as with the brakes, I did pick up the G2 brake caliper painting kit. Of course, I picked up in yellow, so we're gonna be painting the calipers yellow. I did get some black paint just to do, I'm gonna do the brackets in black and the lettering in black. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool. And then obviously the rest of the caliper in yellow. To bump the wheels out just a little bit, I did pick up some 20mm spacers. A lot of guys have been, again, looking on the forums, a lot of people put the 20mm, which is 3/4 inch on the front, and they put an inch, which is 25mm in the rear. I could not find, I wanted to do black, just, you know, black wheels, black brakes. Figured, you know, why not keep it black. I could not find a decent reliable set for the rear that were 25mm, so we're just gonna do the whole thing at 20mm, and I'm sure it's still gonna look pretty cool. The one thing about these, I wish they stayed black, but I know once I go on the brakes for the first time, the black's just gonna get scraped away by the brake pad. But they are zinc coated underneath, which is still pretty cool, so these should hopefully last. So then, of course, again in the rear, we're doing again the brake motive rear brakes, pads here as well. So new pads, new rotors. The rotors are in decent shape. I mean, I know they look, that's just surface rust. Obviously, it's been raining and I haven't driven the car in like a week. And then again, we're putting the 20mm spacers again on the rear. I will have to cut the studs back a little bit. Here, if I slide one on really quick. Right, they're hub centric, which is pretty cool, but obviously you can see the factory studs stick out pretty far. And the way the wheels are, I'm going to need these to sit flush or even inside of this lip here, because there is no indent in the wheel, so I will have to cut those studs back. All right, and then the last thing I need to do is replace my passenger side rear quarter panel. There's a few things wrong with this. One, there is a nice size scratch here that I just filled in with some touch-up paint, so you may not even really be able to see that. But the biggest thing, when I bought the car, previous owner has this like crack in here. Not sure what they did, but this has been bothering me for, you know, years since I got it. And of course, first I went to the body shop. They wanted $1,200 to fix this. I thought that was absolutely nuts. On my way out to Scott's, I stopped at Contemporary Corvette in Bristol, Pennsylvania, and picked up this rear quarter, mint condition. I mean, this thing looks really good for what it was, and it was only $90. You know, hopefully the paint match is pretty good, but we will find out when I put this on the car. Now, in order to get the brake bracket off, you need to use a 21mm socket. This is an impact socket. I had to go out and buy this because I didn't have one. So while I was out, I did pick up some 75W90. This is for the rear diff, so we will be replacing the rear diff oil as well. All right, so that's just a quick spring update. I just want to update you guys really quick. All these videos will be separate videos. You know, I don't like to ramble on with like a 20-minute video and show all these different things. I'd rather break them up into individual videos that are between 5 and 10 minutes long. This way they're quick and to the point, and when you're looking for the video, you know, you're not fast forwarding through all the crap that you don't need. All right, so stay tuned for the next few videos, and if you like this one, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.